How to skip ads on YouTube Smart TV using a remote. Skipping ads on YouTube while watching on a smart TV is simple if the option is available. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Watch for the skip button. During an ad, look for a skip ad button on the screen. This button typically appears after 5 seconds of the ad for skippable ads. Step 2. Use the remote to skip the ad. Highlight the skip button. Use the directional arrows on your remote to move the cursor to the skip ad button. Press Enter or OK. Once the button is highlighted, press the Enter or OK button on your remote to skip the ad. Step 3. Fast forward. Non-skippable ads in certain cases. If you're watching a recorded video or using YouTube Premium, some ads can be fast forwarded. Use the forward arrow or fast forward button on your remote to jump through the ad. Step 4. Subscribe to YouTube Premium. Optional. If you want to avoid ads altogether, subscribe to YouTube Premium. This removes all ads from your viewing experience on all devices, including smart TVs. Notes: non-skippable ads. If the ad doesn't display a skip ad button, it cannot be skipped. Remote features. Some remotes have a dedicated skip button that can be used in apps like YouTube. Advanced remotes for Android TV. By following these steps, you can easily skip ads on YouTube using your smart TV remote when the option is available.